My name is Salwa. I'm a teacher by profession. I teach at Mahmoud bin Fadhi Girls Primary School. I've been teaching for 7 years now. I became a teacher because I was inspired by my mom. My mom was a teacher. My father was also a teacher. But my mom is my role model. She's influenced me into this profession. The way she carried out herself, how hardworking she was, I saw myself in her. In 2021, that is when I was given this class that I'm having, the grade 4s. I had no knowledge on managing small learners. It was a bit challenging. Some of them had the tendency of not coming to school. Maybe because I wasn't emotional then, I wasn't empathetic, I didn't care about them. Or maybe, let me say, I was very harsh with them. In the same year, I was called for training for the value-based education. It made you understand yourself, who you are. You're able to know what are your strengths, what you're capable of. You know yourself generally, where you came from and where you are. You are the person who you are from the experience that you've been through. It also helps in you building a relationship or interacting with others. You know how to live, to interact with the learners, with the teachers, with the community, with your relatives, parents. And then it makes you understand your role as an educator. How to deal with the learners, how to engage them, how to manage them. So there was a time when my children were in grade 3 and I had to leave for maternity. Some of the kids came still at my home. Madam, when are you going to come? We miss you, want you back in school. That was when I knew that I've changed and the way I carry out myself. You know, with me, I was a very harsh teacher. But right now, the way I interact with them, they can even come and share their problems. It means that I've changed from when I was and right now at the moment. Them coming to air out, them telling me their problems. Madam, today I've come, but I don't have money for break, the others are having. No, it takes a lot of courage. Still they come, why didn't they go to any other teacher? Why did they choose me? So with the process, I saw that I have changed.
Yuko sawa na kila mtu, si watoto, si mtu mzima, yani awe ni mkubwa wake, ni mdogo wake, hakuna anayemsifu kwa ubaya. Yani yosomesha vizuri, ana bidii na watoto, yani yuwapendelea watoto wasome, baadaye maisha yao baadaye yawe mazuri.
Na wale wa mama nao pia huwa wakia, nataka kumuingiza huyu mtoto wangu tuition. Mwambie alhamdulillah, nimesikia sifa zake kwa mwenzangu na mimi nataka kumweka huyu mtoto wangu.
Kutoka nimpate mwalimu Salwa, sasa mtoto wangu aendelea vizuri. Ile shida nilikuwa nazo zote zimeisha.
My name is Salwa. I am a teacher. I am empathetic, open-minded and resilient because of ABE.